Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aiman Hazib bin Madri Hisam. My matrix ID is 2024670774 and I'm from class 4C. And today, I will be presenting to you guys my inventory app system named Amber Coffee. Without wasting any time, let me introduce the classes I have built for this program. I have one exception class, a node class, a custom linked list class as the parent, my queue and stack classes, the concrete cafe item class, a bonus expression converter class, and finally, the main application class. First is my exception handling class, empty list exception, which extends runtime exception. I use this to handle errors gracefully if the system tries to remove an item from an empty list. Moving to the node class, it is the foundation for the link chain. I declared two attributes, an object called data to store the item information and a node pointer called next to link to the following node, along with the standard constructors, getters and setters. Next is the parent linked list class. I declared three pointers here, head, tail and current. Since my queue and stack will inherit from this class, I created three specific methods. I have insert at back to add nodes to the end of the chain, insert at front to add nodes to the beginning, and remove from front to delete and return the very first node. These three methods form the engine for the next two classes. For my main data structures, I built a custom queue and a custom stack. As per the assignment requirements, both of these explicitly use the extends linked list keyword to inherit to the parent methods. For the queue, which is first in first out, the enqueue method calls insert at back and the queue calls remove from front. For the stack, which is last in first out, the push method calls insert at front and pop calls remove from front. This keeps the architecture incredibly clean. This is my concrete object class, cafe item. It acts as the blueprint for every item in the inventory. I declared four attributes: item name, category, price and quantity. It includes a normal constructor to initialize these values, along with setter and getter methods, and a formatted toString method for clean display. I also created the expression converter class. I tied this to my cafe theme by building it as a post-combo pricing engine. It takes a human-readable math formula like for a combo discount and uses our custom stack class to handle operator precedence. It outputs the machine-readable postfix notation so the cash register can calculate quickly. Finally, we are in the main class. First, I instantiate my two data structures, a queue named delivery queue and a stack named pantry stack. I used JOption pane to prompt the user for initial deliveries, which are instantiated as cafe item objects and enqueued into the delivery queue. Then, we enter a while loop for the main menu. Case 1 and 2 fulfill the requirement to move object data between structures, transferring items between the queue and the stack. Case 3 calculate the sum, average, mean and max. Because a stack only lets you see the top item, I pop the item to do the math, push them into temp stack to preserve the data, and then restore them back to the pantry stack. Case 4, 5 and 6 handling searching, deleting and displaying. I apply that same temporary structure logic here to safely traverse the list without permanently losing any data. Case 7 runs our bonus post expression converter. Last but not least, case 8 is exiting the system. Now, we will be moving on to the demonstration of the system. First, it will say welcome to Amber Cafe inventory system. Then we click OK. Then we need to put number of initial deliveries. So for example, I choose 3. So I need to put the item name first. For example, latte beans. Then I need to categorize it to the category at the beverage or pastry. Then I need to put the price in. and also the quantity of the latte beans. Then I need to repeat it process for another 2 times. For example, I put croissant dough and I need to categorize it under pastry. Then I need to put price and also quantity. Then I need to repeat this process one more time. I choose vanilla syrup and categorize it to beverage. I need to put price and also quantity. After finish entering all the item, we can see the main menu. We have few options here. Move delivery to pantry, recall item to delivery, calculate pantry status, search pantry for item, delete item for pantry. Number 6, display all inventory, and number 7 is expression conversion. So first we will see the inventory item first. So you can see delivery queue has 3 items while pantry stack is empty. Then I want to move the delivery item to pantry, so I will choose one, and it will say move 3 items from delivery queue to pantry stack. So if we display all inventory again, we can see that the delivery queue is now empty while the 3 items is in the pantry stack. So I want to recall 1 item to the delivery list, so I choose 2, and it will recall top item back, which is vanilla syrup. And we can see now vanilla syrup is in the delivery queue. Next, I want to calculate the pantry status. So by clicking number 3, we can see total items, sum, average, max, which is latte beans, and minimum is croissant dough. Next, we can also search for pantry item in pantry. For example, if I choose vanilla syrup, it will say item is not found because vanilla syrup is in delivery, not pantry. So if we search item which in pantry, for example latte beans, it will pop up and say item found. It will tell us the category, price, and the quantity. So we can also delete item by choosing number 5. So we need to name the item what we want to delete. For example, croissant dough. Then if we check all the inventory display, it will not display the croissant dough because we have already deleted it. And next, we have expression conversion. Expression conversion is for us to know the formula. For example, pricing, we will put pricing formula. For example, A is coffee, B is pastry, and if you buy both of them, you will get 10% off. So this is a human input. So you can know computer logic by having this this implement into our system. So last but not least is number 8, which is exiting the system. So that's all from me for my presentation demo. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thank you.